Looks like it should fit, right?
Well, it should slip right in, but it doesn't want to.
There's not a burr on the end of anything, is there? A little dent, maybe?
Shit.
Oh, man. I see what you said. I know why you said that.
Exactly.
You know what, though? You might still be able to get it. No? Through the fan blade?
Maybe.
It might be easier to take the fan off. That fan comes off pretty quick, doesn't it? That fan comes off real quick, right?
Yeah. No, wait.
Okay.
Wait.
All right.
That's actually the same size. Oh well.
Now you're gonna have to. I call that a swaging tool. What do you call it?
It is what you can do.
Yeah, swaging tool. All right. Larry's gonna take the clips off. So he can expand that tube a little bit with his swaging tool. Okay, son, wait till you see this. There you go. It expanded it pretty nice. Oops. That one's smaller than a quarter.
Huh?
That one there's smaller than a quarter.
That's good.
Oh, it is? Smaller than the other one. Then the other one's... Anyway.